Roughly 3 out of 4 manufacturing companies don't have a dedicated system for managing the operations of their job shops. It's not because they don't need it. Increased demand on manufacturing flexibility, shorter time to market, increase in quality, traceability, and a changing workforce put pressure on these companies, big and small. But small companies, the manufacturing job shops we all know about, can't really afford them. It's not only the software cost. They don't have an IT department. They can't have a multi-month project with process analyzers and implementation. So they bend the tools they have, office software or good old paper. But it hurts them. It isn't easy to use and it surely isn't flexible. Now, with Opcenter X, they can have all they need. Production order execution, scheduling of operations, and tracking work in process. So a lightweight manufacturing execution system that we run in the cloud so you can focus on your job. With Opcenter X, you can make better decisions faster.
Opcenter X lets you see exactly what you're paying for. With pay-as-you-go pricing, you're in charge of your IT costs. It's a truly modular system and you can adapt it, configure it and scale it on the go. Partnering with us at Siemens for your manufacturing operation solutions means tapping into a wealth of expertise we can offer. We are all ears to our customers, continuously improving and incorporating industry best practices. Our aim is boosting your manufacturing flexibility and speed. If you want to enhance productivity, quality and have a more reliable production, bring in Opcenter X. It's truly modular and flexible for your manufacturing operations. It's the next move in your digital transformation journey. And remember, Siemens has got your back throughout. Let's unleash the full potential of your manufacturing operations with Opcenter X.